like getting.
Hey. They been on it, drum on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Facade get the plot, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails.
The message of this video is to see beauty in the unexpected. I have a hard time with the unknown. The fact not knowing what will happen scares me, but I have realized that even when you think you know what is going to happen, it will never happen the way you expect it to be, which part of me enjoys because I like things unexpectedly happening in like a fun way. For example, learning someone new you didn't know before, trying out something new for the first time. I'm learning to see the fun in unexpected things that I experience as less fun and try to experience them without judgment. Just put on a basic ass outfit, but a little bit more like getting dressed like changes a lot. I should go, but currently I'm not feeling like it. I think it will be better for me. Also, I cancelled the plans. I had like this dinner party and it's so sad because I was like looking forward to it so much. Things can't always, but I just feel guilty for like being so ungrateful. Place I went to work was closed. There's this art gallery and I'm seeing this as like a sign of like the universe. I need to just like that things are not plannable or something. It's also raining so I can't go. Like I was maybe thinking like going to the park and kind of like the only option is now, not the only option because there's options enough, go to this art gallery. No, that's not it. Thank you. Don't have a lot of time left anymore. Clean my shit up. Like I've gotten to a point where I'm like I can't take it anymore, like the mess. Also, I'm going to Ireland next week. I want to like come back from that like fresh, and Ireland we're gonna be a lot in nature and get back and like feel like refreshed. I don't want to get back in like a messy house, so there's a lot of shit that needs to be done. Oh, I also need to take pictures, things to put on Vinted. Maybe it's just only this plant. Okay, it's not that bad. I also want to make ceramic pots with these. But, you know, it's kind of hard because it's like not, because I know all of these things, I've seen them like so many times, not giving like that dopamine rush. So it is kind of, that's like with being in nature, it doesn't give like that dopamine rush, but it is good for your mental state.